All right, we're going to double check and show you guys how to set the power level for these small VTX and camera combos. So you need to power it. You want to make sure ground to ground, signal to signal. Plug it in, it should power on, and then it'll tell you band A, channel 8, and then in this case it's got the 3 lines, so that's set to the 200 milliwatt. So I want to press and hold, and then run band A. We can change the channels. Press and hold until you get the 3 lines flashing, and then we want to did it too slow. And then you want just the 1 line. So then it'll go cycle through and you want just the 1 line.